morning to ya. I'm late. Like, there's no shot I'm getting there. I'm late. Oh. But yeah, there's like no shot that I'm getting there on time. Where's 12? There must be in Dunkin' Donuts. They must be in Dunkin' Donuts. But yeah, guys, my camera has been fucking giving me issues out the asshole. But issues out the asshole. I think I got it somewhat fixed. Yeah, I don't know. I'm hoping that it's fixed. Looks like it's fixed. And I also figured out a new Insta360 feature where if I start recording with my phone and the GPS is hooked up, then I can get those cool little stats where it tells you speed and shit. So I might just drop that in there just for shits and giggles. Some things. The bike is now fixed. This video is gonna drop before the Jackie run because it's like a premiere. But yeah, we did the Jackie run. Easy. I'm not gonna say what we did. I'm just gonna say it was easy. Somebody's not gonna like that. But yeah, man, light work. Okay. See what we can do over here. Yes, we can. We had to replace the forks. Along with replacing the forks, we installed new lights on the side of the forks. Along with the new lights on the side of the forks, we did a chain adjustment. We did tire pressures. We hit all the bases. Everything is brand new. Not really, but used like new, if y'all catch my vibe. These lights that I got on this bike are fucking blinding too, so they're purposefully installed for one reason, and that's to say, get out of my way. Like this khaki pants head ass. And I got khaki pants on too right now. But yeah, it's November 1st. It's been a while since I was able to record. No bike and shit like that. So I was just, dropping whatever snippets that I had on IG. For those of you that follow on IG, I was just dropping little snippets here and there. Try to keep you guys entertained, but it wasn't exactly good time because the bike was down for like 3 weeks, almost a month. I'm not mad at it. It was a good break, The whole situation with the forks, on the Jackie Robinson that one night when I went to go. I was sitting right there at exit 6. I was yapping away. maybe I'll drop the clip in. That's our start. Fork. Look at that. We're gonna run it anyways, and then that's it. I gotta take the forks off and get new forks because it looked like it blew the top end of it. And yeah, bro, them shits blew the hell up. Like, I've never had forks blow up like that. And it's not like it blew up from the bottom and it was leaking. It blew up the top stem. Like, the stem blew, the O-ring blew. All the oil just pissed out and said, farewell. So yeah, that's what happened. How unfortunate. But nonetheless, we got new forks. Suspension's dialed in and tuned. This shit feels great. Just flickable as hell. Look at that. I'm doing this with one arm. No need for the counter steering. Just wait the pegs. This bitch move. Yeah, but during this whole ordeal with getting this bike back together, something happened with the quick shifter. It's just cutting ignition when it doesn't need to, so we've transitioned back to manual drive. So we're clicking the clutch and flipping the throttle, and you know, we're going like that. Not that we're trying to do a clutch up right now, but that's what we're doing. You know me, I don't do wheelies. I know how to wheelie. I don't do wheelies though. I'll stick to my go fast vibes. Go fast, turn fast. You know, wheelies are just not it for me. Like, I'm just not a big fan of getting on one wheel. I'm already on two wheels, bro. Some of you might think that that's like, whatever. And then some of you might respect it. Who cares? I don't know. Wheelies though. Weird that I'm like using the clutch again to shift. Like, I just like not used to it. And I'm shifting mad slow right now too. Don't bash me. Don't bash me. I'm just driving. I'm enjoying. And you know, I would quick shift this with just the throttle. No, you let off the throttle and then, you know, boom. But like, it doesn't do it very well for some reason. Like, I could upshift or downshift rather. Resistant GP, LOL. I could downshift with the bike with blipping it, but like when I want to go pressure on it, well, I guess I could do it, but at high speed, no shot. That shit does not do it. So I gotta like, I hope my camera's good. I mean, it's still recording, so that's good news. I don't know what happened yesterday. I was like dazed off and almost like pitted into this curb. I had it on camera, but the shit was like not recording. It's always some bullshit with that, you know? It's always some bullshit. I gotta go. That's not 12. That's not 12. It's the whole construction. Mama, whip! Little baby wheelie. Wheelie. Stoppy. I'm fucking crazy. Y'all don't know me. I'm fucking NYC Rides, bro. I get busy. Every day. It don't matter what hour of the day it is. I get busy. All day. Every day.